That was one of the most important factors when purchasing the LRB. We can transport with under 60 tons, actually 53 tons. If we remove the counterweight, we can even transport it with 40 tons, with our own low loader and without a heavy load permit.
That was a huge advantage of the machine. It is easy to transport. There are roadblocks all around. A lot of bridges are limited, and the transport is becoming more and more difficult in recent years.
Hello,
I am Martin Robe. I have been managing director of Robe Spezialtiefbau for around 35 years.
Hello, my name is Wojciech Suko, founder and CEO of Budokop Geotechnica.
Good day, Jan Tabik, manager at Heisig Spezialtief- und Wasserbau. The setup and disassembly times are quite important for us. We have small job sites too. If we need 2 days to set up and disassemble, that is not economical. Now, we are ready to work in an hour and can get started.
Right now, we are at Porto Gdańsk, one of the biggest housing projects in Gdańsk. We choose LRB 19 because for years we are relied on Liebherr LRB rigs as a strong multi-purpose machines for piles and soil mixing. LRB 19 continues this. Compact, powerful, easy to move. We were the first company worldwide to order it at Bauma 2025.
We are here in Osterhofen, a few kilometers from Deggendorf. The challenge on this job site is that we have to drill approximately 250 CCFA piles with a diameter of 620 millimeters and a very small center-to-center distance with an overlap of 15 to 20 centimeters. We need a very powerful machine for this in order to achieve an overlap with the 620 millimeter piles. That's why we have tried the LRB 19 with the new CCFA rotary drive. It has practically 50% more power, and that has an enormous effect on the drilling speed and the torque. That's a huge advantage.
We are in a small town in the north, building a foundation pit with temporary sheet piling wall for a new grain silo for the company Saatbau. That is the machine's great strength. It is really built for piling work. The leader is rotatable with a hose guide. It is all designed so that nothing gets in the way. The machine has a LIKUFIX quick coupler, which is fully automatic. It used to always take us an hour for the change between vibrator and rotary drive. Accordingly, colleagues also tried to work with one machine for as long as possible. Now we exchange them in 10 minutes.
We install displacement piles, concrete columns made with a special auger that pushes and compacts the soil instead of removing it. This makes the ground stable and reduces truck transport. LRB 19 is a true multi-rig. It complements our LRB 125 and LRB 18, giving about 50% more torque with similar weight. A perfect match of displacement piles, soil mixing and more. We use this machine also for deep soil mixing, CFA piles, vibro methods and VDV piles.
The performance of the vibrator is good. It's not just the vibrator. The machine behind it has to be right too. You really notice that everything is coordinated. With relatively low engine power, the machine still achieves about 130 kilonewtons torque. It is light and compact, as you can see. The foundation pit is small, and the machine can still move easily. The working radius is also extremely positive compared to the competition. We are very satisfied with it.